this module, what we are going to cover are the following topics. First, we are going to deal with what are the pre-drafting steps that you should do before you actually put pen to paper and start preparing your draft. After that, we will deal with certain fundamentals of pleadings which would be applicable across different kind of pleadings, irrespective of what they are. Then we would cover the different types of pleadings and how they are different from each other. After that, we would deal with a typical list of dates which normally accompanies every pleading or every proceeding that you file. After that, we will get into the specific types of pleadings and the formats. The first one that we will deal with is something that you're likely to encounter regularly. That is a commercial suit in the Bombay High Court, where we will cover plaint and the accompanying documents. We will also cover interim applications in the commercial suit. We will then cover Section 9 petition for interim reliefs in aid of an arbitration and writ petitions, followed by a written statement in a commercial suit. And then we will close the session with certain other applications that are normally filed in the Bombay High Court, such as caveats, as well as service affidavits and proof of service, and close with some guiding tips to young junior associates as to how best to manage the papers and documentation in a matter that they're handling. So one thing to note here is that this module will essentially cover pleadings in the Bombay High Court, and the format of pleadings differs from court to court. While certain fundamentals remain the same, there would be some changes if you're filing in Delhi or in Calcutta or in some other court, or even in a city civil court or some other forum in Bombay itself.